Do you want to know why the South African Rooibos Council wants to know ka banna ba South Africa why they love rooibos tea? Or do they love rooibos tea? So today you can have the numbers from their report that they published, or South African men do appreciate a cup of rooibos tea. Now, the research was obviously commissioned by the South African Rooibos Council based on men of different backgrounds, whether it's men by age groups, men by their lifestyles, men by their skin color, men by their lifestyle. The research was conducted on different men across the board, just to at least back just a good average of what these men are. And in South Africa, regularly drink. We love our water, we love our rooibos, we love our coffee, we love our beer, not for children. We love our Springboks, also not for children. There's a drink called a Springbok. Check. There's a drink called a Springbok, but it's not for children. So before I want to just read for you what a specialist says about this rooibos tea, the benefits, the health benefits about the rooibos tea. So we have here Dr. Gerald Marman. Saloro biased. Vamos Patrick. Okay. So Dr. Gerald Marman, along with your colleagues, he says over rooibos tea, its antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, crucial for those with active lifestyles. Rooibos also supports heart health by improving blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and aiding in muscle recovery, reducing muscle spasms, and enhancing sleep quality. Additionally, it improves sperm concentration and function, immune system, weight management, and skin health. Wow. Okay, I can show whether he's just talking about the tea only, because rooibos, there's makeup rooibos, there's lotion, and all sorts of other products that are made out of the same rooibos. Now, this research about South African men, it's based on all skin colors of men. Okay, I'm about to give you the numbers. And I would say, Rory, it is an advertisement. Yeah, some of these things, because of you'd learn, Rory, we all agree that rooibos tea has benefits. And it's very affordable. Trust me. Here at the restaurant, this is one of the most affordable teas that you'll get at most restaurants. Now, in the mornings, banna barata coffee. 46% love coffee, 39% rooibos. So rooibos number 2 in the mornings, and then water number 3 for men. And then in the evenings, late afternoon, or jumper say till later, men, the 32% rooibos, number 1. Beer, 19%. 12% coffee, and spirits, number 4. And last but not least, wine, number 5. So rooibos takes in number 1, got it late, got it now, go kuja pole for got it time of Botswana. Now, on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, most men, 42% of them, so if in a room there's 10 of them, 4 of them would have already had a cup of rooibos that day. 10 of you, where 1 of them already had a cup. If in a room there's 10 of you, for that week, 7 days, 2 of them had more than 2 to 3 cups of rooibos, more again. So 10 of them, 2 of them already had about 3 cups for the week of rooibos. Lastly, 17% drink it every other week. 17% of men drink it every other week, and this is because only 5% of men believe that rooibos it's feminine. It has feminine qualities, so they choose coffee and beer over healthy benefits. Cheers, my fellow 5%ers, to good health and prosperity. Now, in conclusion and in summary, Rooibos has so many benefits. As Kamho Dr. Gerard Marman has told us, quoting his own words, so there's also products made out of the same Rooibos, and statistically speaking, Rooibos is drank by quite a number of men. And the only reason why is because they feel it's very feminine. But otherwise, have a cup of Rooibos, enhance some flavor, chile, some lemon, some cinnamon, some mint, ibele flavor nyana kamohare. Otherwise, you'll be okay, you'll be alright. Keep doing your thing, mastermind.